Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Surface preparation is a critical factor when it comes to hardness testing. I'm going to show you how to correctly prepare your surface using the tools available in your Equotip 550 package. After you've connected your appropriate impact device and the device makes the recommendation to use this particular impact device for the application, the device also recommends the necessary surface preparation and the recommended surface condition for the test we're about to do. Use the surface roughness comparator plate provided to identify the conditions of your test sample to start up with. Next step would be to choose the appropriate sandpaper and prepare the surface as necessary. Know that you may need different grades of sandpaper in order to achieve the desirable surface condition. If you're looking at the average surface roughness, this is highlighted in the surface roughness comparator plate as well as the sandpaper guide provided. When you're done, it's also important to clean the surface, removing any debris and dust. Use the surface roughness comparator plate again to do one final check. Now you're ready to do the test. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.